Good morning, student. Today I am going to start the first chapter of class 8 physics. Chapter is matter. So, all the living things or non-living things in universe made up of matter. So, that is the question is, what is matter that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Today we shall discuss about the kinetic theory of matter. It states that matter is composed of a large number of small particles called atom or molecules. So this theory is also known as kinetic molecular theory of matter. You know in earlier classes what is the meaning of kinetic and where it is derived. Kinetic comes from the Greek word kinetikos, that means motion or to move. Kinetic theory help us to explain why matter exists in different phases and how it can changes from one state to another state, and also understand the properties of matter. In this chapter, we shall discuss about the properties, characteristic and different phases of matter. So, on the basis of that topic, there are some important postulates of kinetic theory of matter. Some of the postulates, first postulates, molecules are in a state of continuous motion, so they possesses kinetic energy. In earlier classes, you know that kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic energy, the energy possesses due to motion, and potential energy, the energy possesses due to state of configuration and position. Second, kinetic energy directly proportional to temperature. That means if temperature increases, then kinetic energy will also increase, and if temperature decreases, then kinetic energy will also decrease. Third, the force of attraction between the molecules is called intermolecular force of attraction. It is two types, force of cohesion and force of adhesion. The molecules of a similar kind attract each other by a force is called force of cohesion. Force of cohesion का मतलब होता है the similar types of molecular force of attraction. सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन का मतलब हुआ यहाँ पे कि अगर सपोज ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन दोनों के गैस के कॉम्बिनेशन को अगर मिलाया जाए तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन भी गैस है और हाइड्रोजन भी गैस है, और इन दोनों के मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होगा वो होगा कोहेसिव फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. एंड द फोर्स ऑफ एडहेशन बिटवीन द डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स. सपोज अगर हमको एक शरबत बनाना है, एक ग्लास शरबत अगर हम बना रहे हैं, तो वाटर के बीच में अगर हम सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ शुगर डाल रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या होगा, शुगर सॉलिड है और वाटर लिक्विड है. इन दोनों का जब कॉम्बिनेशन होगा तो यहाँ पे दो डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स का फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क करेगा, तो वो कहलाएगा फोर्स ऑफ एडहेशन. And fifth, the space between any two consecutive molecules is called the intermolecular space. दो molecules के बीच में जो space gapping होता है वो कहलाता है intermolecular space. Most important postulates of these kinetic theory of matter is intermolecular force is inversely proportional to intermolecular space. That means कि intermolecular force अगर increase करेगा तो intermolecular space decrease करेगा, और अगर intermolecular force decrease करेगा तो intermolecular space increase करेगा. इस फैक्टर पे हम लोग सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैसेस को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. सो द मेन two most important postulates of kinetic theory of matter is kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature and intermolecular force is inversely proportional to intermolecular space. There are some postulates you have to read and learn it.